If you've ever struggled with your acrylic paints drying out too fast, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to make your very own wet palette. An easy, budget-friendly solution that keeps your paints fresh and workable for hours. So let's get started. To make your own wet palette, you will need a container, preferably one with straight edges and a lid, water, paper towel, scissors, and baking or parchment paper. To start, pour a little bit of water into the container, just enough to cover the whole of the bottom of the container, but try not to make it too deep. Then get some paper towel and place it into the water, folding in the edges so that it fits perfectly in the bottom of the container. We want all of the water to be soaked up by the paper towels, and we also want them to be completely covered with no dry patches. So if your tissue is too dry, add some more water, and if it's too wet, then add some more paper towel. Then we'll need to cut out a piece of parchment paper to the same size of the container. Take this parchment paper and place it over the top of the damp paper towel. This will prevent the water from getting to the paints whilst also keeping them wet. Add your acrylic paints to the top of the parchment paper and they will stay workable for so much longer than a normal paint palette. If you need a break from painting, just add the lid to the container and your paints will stay nice and wet until you come back. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you want to see more art tips and tricks just like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe.